Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, we've been talking a lot about it, but I'm so excited. We have the Creating Memories Autumn line from Tilda. It's gorgeous. I love everything about it. Oh, I should have brought my mini pumpkin to show. Oh, I made a cute mini pumpkin, guys, and you only saw it if you were on the show on Tuesday, so maybe you should watch our live shows on Tuesdays. Okay, so I made a cute little pumpkin. I put it on our Instagram stories a couple days ago. I'll revisit, okay? This is amazing. We already did another pre-order of the Fat Quarter bundles for all 4 seasons of the Creative Memories, the Brie collection, which is the basics, and the Chambrays, and then we also got some Fat Eighth bundles. So many good things coming, okay? Then we got some new patterns from the June Thimble, which is a couple of ladies in the Columbus area. We have Buttercup, Southern Amaryllis, Grow Wild, Callisto, Jolie, and this is actually a reorder. First Crush. Looks different in this one than the last one. Different colors. Okay? So, support some pattern makers, some local-ish pattern makers. Okay, that's all the new stuff. But also, if you are an all-Ohio shop hopper, if you don't know what that is, do your research. Okay. Just search All Ohio Shop Hop and you'll get all the details. But it is all of August and September here in the state of Ohio. There's 80 shops. We can now do the pre-order for the magazine. So you can buy your magazine when we get them in. You can either select local pickup and you'll pick it up here in the shop, or you could have it shipped to you. It is a great resource and there's some fun patterns in it. It lists 80 different shops in Ohio, so even if you don't live here but you're going to be driving through at any point, it's great to have on hand so you know what shops you can maybe hit on your drive through Ohio. So that is new this week also. Let's see. Fab Stash show will be Sunday at 3. We give 2 giveaways away if you are live on the show. So in order to be entered to win, you're going to answer this question below and share. And the question is, so our kids' school is out for summer. We're so excited. I'm over school right now. And so are they. So we need a break. But what is your favorite summer activity, or what was it when you were a kid and you got out of school? What was the thing you look forward to doing most during the summer? As a kid, mine was camping. We camped a lot. I love camping. It's amazing. I would say this summer my kids is probably the pool, and 2 of them have Kings Island passes. So that's where we're going to be spending our time. So answer that below and you'll be entered to win one of the 2 giveaways. Until next time, happy quilting. Bye.